Assalamualaikum and hi, welcome to Sweet and Co Group, a Malaysian firm created in June 2022, specializing in producing gula super premium sugar. We use 100% import natural cane sugar from Thailand, refined at our facility in Seberang Perai, Penang. Meeting ICU MSA 40 requirements guarantees great purity and bright whiteness. Currently, we market 1 kilogram retail packs to health-conscious consumer. Financially, we stand strong with RM 70 million in total assets, funded through equity, retained earning, and long-term loan from Maybank. We maintain RM 6 million in cash reserve, providing stability for future growth. Sweeten & Co. has 100 employees with 30% in leadership roles held by women. Over 2,000 hours of training have been delivered, reflecting our sweet values, sense of belonging, winning attitude, integrity, innovation, and teamwork. Our head office is in Padang Besar, Perlis, supported by distribution center in Kedah and Perlis, giving us strong reach in northern Malaysia. Moving forward, we aim to expand into Southeast Asia. In short, Sweeten & Co. is committed to quality, innovation, and inclusivity as we grow towards become one of Malaysian top 5 FMCG brands. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm DAYINI. For our business, we choose Gula Super Premium Sugar because sugar remains essential in daily life, used in homes, cafes, bakeries, and food factories. Malaysia's sugar demand has increased to 2 million metric tons in 2024. Aligned with our growing population, our sugar made from 100% natural cane sugar imported from Thailand that offers high priority and can be sold at a premium. Production is feasible thanks to strong supplier partnership and our fully equipped facility in Penang. Compared to regular sugar, ours is whiter, cleaner, and more consistent, giving us a competitive edge. We target both consumers and businesses. Families, students, and working adults use it daily, while bakeries and restaurants buy in bulk. Whether in rural or urban areas, sugar remains a high demand product. In short, Sweeten & Co. is ready to serve both individual and commercial markets with a high quality in demand product.
Hi everyone, and I'm HUSNA and I'll be presenting the marketing strategy for Sweeten & Co. using the 4Ps: product, price, place, and promotion. We start with our core products. Gula Super Premium Sugar. It's ICU MSA 45 certified, halal and ISO approved, and available in sizes from 1 kg to 15 kg. Putting on the strong foundation, we're planning to introduce healthy options like stevia blends to meet changing customer preference. In line with our premium product positionings, retail price range from RM2.80 to RM3.40, with bulk rates up to RM3.50. To support our pricing strategy, we implement our promotion and loyalty program to compete with market leader like MSM and attract early customer. To ensure our pricing and product strategy reach the right audience, we use the omni-channel distribution model. Our sugar is sold in over 1,200 markets, including Aeon and Lotus, as well as online through Shopee, Lazada, and GrabMart. We also supply directly to bakeries and cafes to border reach. To ensure all the above strategy, our promotional efforts aim to boost visibility and trust. We run Shopee live sessions, collaborate with TikTok influencers, distribute in-store flyers, and offer product samples. Additionally, we participate in Buy Malaysian Goods campaign to reinforce our local brand presence. In summary, our 4-piece product, price, place, and promotions work together to ensure Sweeten & Co. remain competitive, accessible, and highly visible both physical and digital markets.
Hi, I'm KHATATIN. Sweden & Co. allocate 70 million ringgit to support launch of Gula Super Premium Sugar. For the first 50 million ringgit goes to physical assets like our refinery, warehouse, and logistics. This to support large scale and high quality production. And then 6 million ringgit is for financial assets. It's covering raw materials, marketing, and stoppages before launch. We also increase human capital investment by 31% to focusing on training skilled worker for smooth operation. Intangible assets like certifications and strong supplier ties boost our market trust. And lastly, we invest in eco and social initiatives like recyclable packaging and rural employment to ensure long-term sustainability. Sweden and Co. use process costing because our sugar production is large scale, continuous, and standardized. This method allows us to track costs at every stage and determine the average unit cost, which can support pricing and cost control. The process includes importing raw canned sugar from Thailand, refining, drying, packaging, and quality checks. Since all units are identical, process costing is the most accurate and efficient approach. Other methods like job order costing doesn't suit mass production, and activity-based costing is too complex. We use weighted average method to calculate unit cost, giving us a clear visibility of material, labor, and overhead spending.
Sweeten and Co.'s production follows 12 key steps, starting with importing raw canned sugar from Thailand, then storing it in silos. It goes through clarification, filtration, and evaporation to remove impurities and concentrate the juice. Next, we form sugar through crystallization and centrifugation, followed by drying, cooling, and grading for consistent quality. Finally, the sugar is packed in 1 kg bags, undergoes strict lab testing to meet international commissions for uniform methods for sugar analysis, ICOMSA 45 standards, and is each distributed to stores and hubs across the region.
Each month, Sweeten and Co. produce around 1.67 million packets of Gula Super Premium Sugar, with a total monthly cost of 2.63 million of ringgit. The biggest costs come from direct material, especially imported raw canned sugar, which alone costs 2.25 million of ringgit. Then we have direct labor, including operators, supervisor, and quality inspector, which total costs 180,000 ringgit. Lastly, overhead costs such as utilities, depreciation, and maintenance add another 275,000 of ringgit. This brings the total per unit cost to 1.57 ringgit, allowing us to remain cost efficient while ensuring high quality. Regular review of these costs help us adjusting pricing strategies and maintaining profitability.
Hi everyone and welcome to our presentation on Chapter 8, which is operational budget. So our total sale budget is based on 20 million units sold at 3.20 ringgit each. So giving us a total revenue of 65 million. And then to meet production need, 90.6 million kilogram of material will be purchased, forming our direct material budget. For labor, we require 4.09 million hours, which amount to 40.2 million under the direct labor budget. And to manufacturing overhead is estimated at 3.75 million per year. The total COGS, which is cost of goods sold budget for production, is 49.7 million ringgit Malaysia. We also include selling and admin expense of 6.3 ringgit Malaysian millions, and we expect to end with 9,100 unit in inventory, value at 3.42 each. And then this structured operational budget help ensure cost control, production efficiency, and accurate forecasting. Hi, come back with me. So now is the quick summary of our financial highlight. So we started with 6 million ringgit Malaysia in cash and ended with 19.2 million ringgit Malaysia. Major inflow include a 3 million loan in quarter 1 and 64 million in sale. So outflow mainly came from material, wages, overhead, and loan repayment. So from the income statement, total sales revenue is 64 million, and after 49.7 million in COGS, which is cost of goods sold. So we achieved a gross profit of 14.29 million. Our net profit before that is 7.767 million ringgit Malaysia. So with a strong gross margin of 22.3%, which is above the industry average of 19.7%. So lastly, our balance sheet show total asset of 79.5 million with a 90.2 million in cash. So and a 49.2 million in equipment, and liabilities stand at 36.5 million, so mainly from a 25 million loan, and equity total at 43.08 million ringgit Malaysia. So that's all from me.
SWEETEN core further planning focus on 5 key areas of sustainable growth. First, we aim to position Gula Super Premium Sugar as one of Malaysia's top 5 SMCG brands through consistent quality and strong branding. Second, we plan to expand into southern Thailand, Indonesia, and Vietnam by 2027, targeting regions with rising demand and favorable trade conditions. Third, on sustainability, we aim for 100 recyclable packaging by 2026 and plan to reduce our carbon footprint by 20%, continuing ethical sourcing under NDPE policy. Fourth, we will launch healthier sugar options like stevia blends and low GI sugar while engaging younger customers through digital tools, social media, and interactive campaigns. Lastly, for community engagement, we will support rural jobs in Perlis and Kelantan, run young program, and back national campaign like Buy Malaysian Goods. This initiative will strengthen our brand presence across Southern Asia.
In conclusions, SWEETEN & Co has shown strong strategic planning in both financial and non-financial area. With solid capital investment, effective cost control, and a 22.3% projected gross margin, the company is financially stable and growth ready. Beyond profit, SWEETEN & Co is committed to sustainability, innovations, and community impact. This effort positions Gula Super Premium Sugar as a trusted, competitive brand in Southeast Asia. Thank you.